Friends, welcome to the Weller channel. Today, I'll show you how to use a video as a ringtone on your Android phone. For this, we need to go to a browser and search for video to MP3. We'll use this converter and upload our video here. Yes, from the device, yes. And after that, we get an MP3 file. Next, go to Downloads. You can access this through Files. Here we select Audio, right? Select the audio you need, tap the three dots, and then use it as a ringtone. You can do this either here or through your phone settings. Here we go to search and type ringtone. Yes. Now we go in accordingly. And here you can select the sound you need. Now click Add Ringtone and select the song from your file. This has been Weller with you. Goodbye, everyone.